In this video, I'm going to walk you through your Instant Cashout dashboard page. We all love our dashboards and they offer valuable source of information, and here at Instant Cashout, we like keeping things simple. We really understand the importance of having the right information available to you at a glance. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, this is Cody and welcome to a quick tutorial from Instant Cashout, where we help you flip deals and maximize your profits using our simple, swift, and secure platform. Today we'll focus on your dashboard page. Right after you sign in, it will take you automatically to your dashboard page. Here you'll find plenty of handy information at your fingertips. On the top left, you'll find your pending labels. This tracks the total number of labels that are requested by you and yet to be processed by the Instant Cashout team members. Next to the pending labels, you'll see received labels. This is the number of labels that were requested by you and generated by Instant Cashout team member. Next, you'll find open tickets. This tracks the number of tickets that were opened by you. We will be having a separate tutorial video for ticketing process, so please stay tuned on that one. Pending ticket, this is the number of tickets that are in pending status. Pending status indicate that the ticket has been reviewed by an Instant Cashout team member and they are currently working with you on a resolution. And finally, you'll see a closed ticket. This represents the total number of tickets that are in closed status. These are the tickets that has been resolved. Now below labels and tickets dashboard, you'll see two tabs. You'll see the closed commitments and shipped received commitments. Under closed commitments, you'll be able to filter the three dashboard charts by either a specific year or by a specific deal. First, you'll see the total sold quantity chart, which tracks the number of units that you've sold Instant Cashout on a monthly basis. Next is the total payout chart, which tracks the total monthly dollar value that you've received so far. And finally is the total commission chart, which tracks the commission that you've received on a monthly basis. Now, if you go under the shipped received commitments tab, we'll see the pending sales quantity. This tracks the number of items that you've sent to Instant Cashout, but you haven't been paid for them yet. This would be the total number of units that are in either shipped status and received status. We will be covering the commitment status in a separate tutorial, so also please stay tuned for that one. Now, under the pending sales amount, this shows the total payout dollar value that you will be getting from the commitments that are yet to be closed, meaning those that are either in shipped status or received status. And finally, there is the pending sales commission. This shows the sum of commission that you anticipate to receive from the commitments that are yet to be closed. Again, those would be the commitments that are either in shipped status or received status. And that wraps up the tutorial on your dashboard page. If you have any further questions, please post them below or reach us at support@instantcashout.org. See you in the next video.